Let's camera.
Ooh, noise.
Hey, wait, now. Spacey. You want a time? What? Let's camera. Camera, lights, action.
Hi YouTube, welcome back. Today we're gonna do a taste test challenge where we're gonna blindfold each other.
But you didn't introduce us.
I'm Imké, and this is
Maggie the fish.
you're gonna do that all the time.
All
now.
the time. This one is mine. This one. You must know this one is mine. It's nobody else's. It's mine. Come, let's go.
Yeah, so we're gonna do a taste test challenge where, okay, so this is what's gonna happen here. Oh, am I starting or are you starting?
Anyone.
So
You start.
Huh?
You start.
I start with the bring. Am I tasting or are you tasting?
No, I'm tasting.
First.
Yeah.
Okay.
Break the ice.
Okay, so I'm going to blindfold him. Then, oh, we need a timer.
Like this. That's blindfolding for
With
those
the mask.
who don't understand.
I'm gonna blindfold him with the
Not
mask.
Stevie Wonder.
With the mask, and then.
Yeah, and then.
Why would you say
I don't
that?
know what I'm saying.
I'm gonna blindfold him with the mask, and then I'm gonna run into the kitchen and then grab 3 things.
Oh, we're only doing 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
3 things from the kitchen, but then you can't get the same thing I'm getting when it's your turn.
Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, okay.
Okay, we'll do whatever.
We'll just do whatever comes to mind.
So-
It's not. What's with hard?
Yeah, so I'm going to run into the kitchen. The timer is gonna give me 10 seconds to get 3 things, and I come back. And
Yeah.
then he's gonna be blindfolded,
Yeah.
and then he's gonna taste it. How many guesses do you get? You get 2 chances.
Yeah.
You get 2 guesses each.
To save time. We are running out of time here because we work with time. Time is no free.
Okay.
It's no free. It's no what?
I don't know what you're trying to say. I even zoned out.
Time waits for no man. Tupac.
Okay, come, let's blindfold you now.
Okay. I feel fat.
Can you see? Oh no. See, we so much chose the red mask so that it complements what
Yeah.
we're wearing.
We are red. We are red brain.
Can you see anything?
Yeah. I don't see.
How many fingers am I holding up?
4, 5, 7, 11,
Okay.
12,
Wait, stop it.
14. You even have 14 fingers. Oh, it's 10. Yeah, 10.
Oh Lord, just keep quiet, ne?
No, man,
Okay.
it's the thing. The thing is, I feel fat.
Baby
so now
man,
my
relax.
brain is getting fat
Yeah.
as well. So,
So timer's on 10 seconds if you can see. I have 10 seconds to go. Okay. Oh, okay. 1. Okay.
1.
Why are you counting?
Oh, it's counting for itself. I thought like they want to
Relax. Okay.
Don't trip now. Don't be falling here, baby. Don't.
I'm panicking. Shit. I'm back. It's fine. I'm back.
Which one are you?
Don't look.
What is this one now?
It's the timer. So I got 3 objects. I got 3 things, ne?
Yo,
And you have to guess correctly.
I will try my best, Shem.
Must I
Just-
get a spoon?
For
And
what?
then can I use my finger?
No, man, I don't know where your fingers been.
Don't do that.
Use your fingers, it's fine. Don't. Am I tasting?
Yeah. I think I should bring you water, ne?
Yeah, time, when.
Sharp, let me.
Time.
Sharp.
It's no time for water.
Okay, you have to guess correctly.
We'll water ourselves. Our
Open your
bodies are
mouth.
meant
Open
to
your
water
tongue.
ourselves.
Open your tongue.
Take out your tongue. How do I almost open my tongue? Huh? Open.
Come. No, like stick it out. Like stick it out.
Oh, no, why do you want me to die like this?
Come. What is it?
What is this? Cocoa.
Yay!
Oh, wow. Yo, now I thought like you're giving me baby powder. Yeah, I'm tasting stuff that I don't understand.
Okay,
Which
now
one is this one?
that was cocoa. You got 1 point.
And then what do I do now? It's your turn.
No, you have 3 things. No,
Oh,
there's 2
3.
more.
Okay.
I got 3 stuff from the kitchen, so you got 1 point. Wait, what must the loser do? Okay, we'll figure it out after. This is number 2. Open your tongue, baby.
Open your tongue.
Open your mouth and
Take
stick
out your tongue.
Do that.
Yeah, open tongue.
Come!
Huh?
Ooh.
Salt.
Yes.
Yeah, this one I know.
I gave
this
you
one.
easy ones.
Yeah.
This one you're gonna like.
Yeah, no. Come. Time is running.
Okay, last one from my side. Oh, you confident now?
I don't like the fact that you're saying I'm confident. Am I touching?
Yeah, I put it on your tongue.
Cinnamon. Yeah, me. I was born there in the woods there in Rivera Park. There's a
Boring, man.
there's
Oh,
a
you were
forest.
supposed to lose.
I'm supposed to lose.
At least, oh shit, I made a mess.
It is my turn. The king is back. Ntwana alifika. Make it fishy. I can't see that one yet. But I'm coming. Don't worry.
No, where you going? I'm supposed to be blindfolded and we're supposed to do the timer.
I know you like
Wait, put things back so that you can decide if you want to use it again. Wait, let me put it back.
You were supposed to be putting these things back after I'm coming back here. I'm back. Now we are breaking English, and you know what? It came with a boat. It's not ours. English came with a boat.
You must do the timer, must I?
How
You'll
do I
just
do-
press.
which timer?
It's
Where is
fine.
it?
You'll just press start.
Okay.
There, it's from 10 seconds. You just press start.
Yo, your hair. Oh, your hair is going to be messed up because now me, I'm doing the things that's supposed to be done when it's done the right time.
No, now you're gonna make me look like an idiot.
Now what must I do?
Cause now you're gonna make it big here and then skinny and then a big thing here.
No man, they already know how you look, Mus. You guys know, Mus.
Okay. You didn't press the timer, you bum. Press.
Ish. It's timing.
Oh my gosh. Don't put chick in my mouth. Come! Oh my gosh, I'm so scared.
Why are you scared? How do I stop this thing?
Just stop it.
Why are you scared?
What's happening?
No, leave it.
It's never made that sound before. What did you do? Am I in the camera even? Are we in the camera?
Wait, how do I do? Do I sprinkle it?
Did you even press play there?
Or do I move you with it?
No, you must sprinkle the way I sprinkled.
They open your tongue.
What is going on?
No man, lick it, man. I'm not good
Lick
at these
what?
things.
No, what I did was I put it on my finger and then I did this, like I sprinkled
Oh, like this
it. Why
one.
is my mouth burning?
What do you mean? Why is your mouth?
What
burning?
did you put inside my
What
mouth?
did you eat? I don't understand. I know I'm hot like that, but now I don't know when you say you are burning. Take out your tongue. Now taste. Which one? Which one?
My mouth is burning. Did you? Is it a? Is it that red spices, the chili spice?
What's the name of it?
How am I supposed to know, Raja?
Not Raj.
Chili flakes.
Not chili flakes.
I don't know.
But you are almost right.
But
What's
I'm
that?
right.
Yeah.
It's the red chili spice.
It's peri peri.
The peri peri chili spice.
Next.
Can I have water?
You'll have water, man. Your body has water. Come. Now here you have to lick. No, you're not gonna lick a lot, man.
Can I lick your finger then instead of whatever you're making me lick?
Okay. Nah,
What?
like that. You didn't even taste the difference of licking. Ne?
Sis, man. Why are you putting soup in my mouth?
Okay.
No, I gave you nice things. I gave you
What's
cocoa.
nice?
You giving me this stuff.
Baby, how are we going to make this one fun now if you don't put in cocoa and all these things? Eh? It's supposed to be fun, yeah? And you
I
are
hope
eating
the
healthy
last one is
things.
sugar.
Yeah, I don't know. It's sugar. You're right. It's like, I don't know. Why did I even comment? Open your mouth. There we go. What is it? Tell me. This game is fun. This one is the one. Is the shit. Which one is this? Am I even on camera? I feel
My
like
nose is burning.
Why is your nose burning? You want water? Let me get you water. But I'll get you water when we done. I don't want to.
It's that bottle that has those green flakes in it. Is it thyme or is it parsley?
Shit, yeah, parsley. Is it parsley? Parsley.
Or thyme or rosemary. Which one is it?
Thyme.
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 Thyme. Thyme.
Thyme. Parsley, babe.
Is it parsley?
Parsley.
With the red flakes, those red little, those
It's not
green
red.
green leaves.
This is red.
The green leaves. Can I take off my mask now?
Yeah, take over the mask. That's what you said. Take over the mask. But yeah, it's parsley. It's good stuff. It's healthy. And yeah, I guess we both got everything correct, and this was fun. What else are we supposed to do? Is this the end of the video, or do we continue?
Nobody lost. Somebody was supposed to lose, and then the loser was supposed to buy the winner McFlurry.
On our last video, I asked how far away is the sun. Nobody answered. You see, I'm disappointed in you guys. I called. Everybody was taught how far away the sun is, but it's fine. We move.
Can we put a question that somebody must answer?
Answer what?
Like a science question, like how you put a science question about the sun. Now there should be a new question.
Here's another new question. If a chicken was a dog, what would the chicken do? It's science.
What? Wait, what?
If a chicken was a dog, what would the chicken do?
Woof. Bye, guys.
It would chase people instead of running away.
Okay, baby.
Yeah, that was a good one. Give your answer. Give your answer. If a chicken was a dog, what would the chicken do or be able to do? But first time, not the last time. It's your boy making the fish with Immy right here. So we call it Mac and Immy. Glad you guys are watching this. You know what? Imka.
What?
Okay, anyway. Glad you guys are watching this and I hope you guys enjoy. Keep subscribing, keep liking, keep commenting. Click on that thing. We don't have it, but it's up there or it's down there. It's in the middle, wherever it is. As long as you can see and you can find it, we can move on. And that's how we're going to do. And you know what? We appreciate you every single day. Just keep on clicking, keep on liking, keep on watching, keep on sharing, keep on doing everything. You know what it is. Internally Freak. With my baby. Peace. Should we end it with a rap?